Yo guys, today I've got 10 free hip hop and rap inspired drum patterns that you can use inside FL Studio in 2025. These are really simple. In fact, I used this drum kit. I will leave the link below in my description with all of these free to use drum patterns. Now let me run through them. So this is drum pattern 1. Drum pattern 2. Drum pattern 3. Drum pattern 4. Drum pattern 5. Now all these drum patterns are BPM 130 beats per minute. Drum pattern 6. Drum pattern 7. I hope you guys enjoying this content. Make sure you like this if you like these drum patterns. Drum pattern 8. Drum pattern 9. Very common hip hop kind of drum loop for those Eminem kind of beats. Very simple. And last one, the most simplest drum pattern widely used by everyone with more additional sounds added is drum pattern 10. Just 3 sounds. Guys, this comes with a free FLP and you guys can download the free FLP below in my description with all these drum patterns ready to go. Just make sure that you get the drum kit. There's 53 royalty free sounds within this drum kit and they're really cool. You will need to open up the FLP and put it inside the drum kit. This will then load up all the sounds into FL Studio and you'll be ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Make sure that you subscribe and drop a comment below on what kind of sounds and drum patterns you guys would love to see next week. As you guys know, we upload pretty much every day and this is the daily upload guide. And apart from that, peace out, subscribe and ciao.